Hey guys, it's MJ from Endless RVing. We are here at the 2020 Tampa RV Show. We're going to take you on a great walkthrough right now, the 2020 DRV Mobile Suite 44 Santa Fe. You're not going to want to miss it. All right, let's go, guys. Look at this beauty. Start in the living room. Carpet! Izzy loves carpet. All the way down. You get two recliners. L-shaped couch, which we like. So fireplace for you fireplace lovers.
Look at how high. All right, so she just opened that cabinet. You got the LEDs in there. Close that cabinet. You can see some glass that shines through the LEDs. Look at the high ceilings. So these look like they're at least 8-foot ceilings. Look at all the cabinets going above the top. All right, so you have opposing slides on the rear of this, the living room. You have one slide on the driver's side, as well as another slide on the passenger side where it has your recliners.
I love this. As a businesswoman, right, traveling, look at this.
For all you YouTubers and business people that want to go full time. And now guys, this DRV, these are made for full-time RV living. High insulation value, thick walls. Look at the ceilings, high ceilings. You got the ceiling fan up top.
Nice hardwood cabinets, huge, nice and thick.
This is probably the size of our kitchen at home.
Yeah.
No exaggerating, guys. Hard, real countertops.
MJ can't
solid
open
service
dishwashers on these things. There's your dishwasher.
And who's that by? Is that a Fisher Paykel? Another one.
Fisher, yeah. That's really tough.
Look at the tile work here. All right, nice tile work behind the sink. That's a convection microwave, which is what we have, but look at also what they have here. You want to lift up the... Yep. So you have your burner, 3-burner cooktop, and then you have a real oven by Furrion, which is nice.
Yeah, that is really nice.
Now look at this over here.
Yep, on the islands, tons of storage. Tons.
Let's get on the back here.
Yeah. There's so much space.
Look at all the storage. So now, to quote MJ when she got on here, she's like, I don't want a Prevo anymore. I want a DRV.
No, I didn't say I ever wanted a Prevo.
I'm not going to say actually what you actually said. We won't say that for the camera.
I love this. Look at this. Residential French.
There's the whirlpool. That is bigger than what we have at home.
Yeah. Yep.
That's crazy.
Beautiful.
So this is really, you know, made for the full-timer. If you don't want to give up the luxuries of your home, this is certainly an option. Look at this. You have your washer-dryer hookup in here. Easily fit a stackable washer-dryer. And then look up top at all the storage up top.
Yep.
See what I mean?
This is tall.
Well, the only thing you need is a little gorilla ladder.
Yeah.
I just want to run the side here so you can see all the storage up top.
Dimmer switches too around. In the living room there's one, the kitchen there's one.
Also look at the valances around the windows, all hardwood. I'm going to imagine these are double pane windows, but I don't know that for sure.
This is nice. It's a very nice touch.
Look at the dinette here. A lot of storage. Now, can you feel this? Is this vinyl or is this tile? Like if you tap on it.
It feels...
Let me see.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
That's vinyl. So it's a vinyl flooring, which, guys, you know, people say about vinyl flooring, it's bad or not, but you know what? It's not going to crack. There's no grouting. It's going to last a long time.
A little money.
And it's easy to maintain. Onward to the front of the coach. You got 2 steps. Bringing you up.
Here's your controls. Controls are there.
Now, I don't know the size of the tanks on here. These are usually upwards of 100 gallons plus of fresh water. Get into the carpeted.
Carpet.
This guy, it's hard to explain. It feels very homely inside. All right. Here, king size bed.
Now, if you're super tall, this might be a little problem. We met a subscriber yesterday that said they looked at a DRV. He was 6'6", so
a little bit of a problem.
Be a problem for super tall people.
Here's some more hardwood cabinets on a slide here. So you have this looks like it's 4 slides, 2 opposing in the bedroom, 2 opposing in the living room. And let's go into MJ's going to close out. That's very nice. Pocket door separating the bathroom. Let me jump on the bed here.
Full-length mirror on the back of this bathroom door.
Look at the woodwork, guys. All right. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. And look at all that cabinetry and space. And then you have a nice LG television. All right, now let's step into the highlight of your front bath.
Double sinks.
So this will save a lot of fights in the morning. Get the double sink nicely. Oh, no tile there. It's got the vinyl material on the backsplash.
Toilet. See the shower. Yeah, so this is not a super tall shower at all. So I'm 5'9".
Yeah, you're not getting in there if you're super tall. But actually, is that open now? Is there a vent? Open this, slide that open. Does that give you a little headroom? So yeah, so you can stick your head in there. That'll work.
Let's switch. You get in there because Izzy's 6'1".
Let's see. Let's give it the test. 1-piece fiberglass. Yes, I'm good. I'm 6'1", but you know, if you're 6'3", 6'4", it might be a little challenging. But this will work for me. It is relatively small, but the bathroom here, you're giving up some space in the bathroom. But look what you have over here. You have a walk-in cedar closet, right? So nice drawers over here. I mean, there's so much storage here. And I can smell the cedars. This is lined also with cedar. As soon as you open it, it hits you. All right, now come over here. You got your 2 seats for your kitchen table. You got a safe, and then you got some more space to hang. Let's see if I can get this over here. So here's some more space, guys. And you know, you're getting there. You will not get this kind of room in any diesel pusher. No way. And there's your toilet with electric flush.
Nice. No where's the toilet paper?
I don't think
not yet. Another.
Yeah, but that might be a good thing. You could just double side tape a toilet paper holder.
Yep.
So you got, this is at least 2 AC units on here. You have a fantastic fan right in the bedroom. And guys, if you don't have those fantastic fans, they are outstanding in the summer. They create a nice breeze if you turn them both on. So guys,
and they keep your fire alarm from going off when you cook bagels.
So it's really noisy outside. This is actually by like a booth that is a lot of noise. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go outside. We're not gonna talk. We're just gonna roll through, show you some things with some music, and we'll join you back outside. Guys, so we hope you enjoyed that video. We tried to keep it short and sweet for you. If you're interested in the Mobile Suite 44 Santa Fe, the MSRP is $197. Show price is $142,777, but you can get that price all day and even less. So if you like the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also give us a thumbs up. If you know anybody that's interested in a DRV such as this one, feel free to share the video with them. So for myself and MJ, who's behind the camera, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.